JC, AutoCAD has evolved over 27 years now, and many different ways to access tools. The command line, way back, still there, still available. Toolbars, the old screen menu. Now ribbon, the ribbon in AutoCAD 2009 was new. When you teach AutoCAD to your students, what method do you teach? How do you show them to access the many AutoCAD commands?
Heidi, did you say the screen menus? I mean, we're going way back on the screen menus. We really look to the future, and we know that the current AutoCAD version is the visualization look and feel. So I'm really pushing what is current and what is in the future. I know many of us still like to use the toolbars in AutoCAD Classic, but I'm really steering my students and even my industry professionals that I teach in my Autodesk Training Center away from using toolbars. Now I do customize the quick access toolbar, which is in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and of course we still use the command line, because there's many hidden tips and tricks that we can type in at the AutoCAD command line that can really speed up our design workflow.
And those are like the...
Well, I'll tell you one that I use. Is TK for tracking. And most people don't realize that you can type in TK and use XY movements off an existing point to place a circle. So for example, if I have a circle that's a half of an inch over to the right in the X and a half of an inch up in the Y, I can use TK and lock into that lower left corner and just move over 0.5 and up 0.5, and now I place that circle without doing the old school of offset, offset, right? We don't need to do that anymore.
Or drawing it and then moving it several times.
Right, the old draw it, move it. No, we don't do that.
And the typing that you're talking about at the command line, the word that I failed to come up with was the command aliases, right? So lots of commands that you can quickly access just with command aliases.
That's correct,
Shortcuts.
sure.
Great, and with the palettes in AutoCAD 2009, as you mentioned, they're customizable. And in AutoCAD 2010, they're even more context sensitive, right?
That's correct.
Is that something that you are taking advantage of or that you see value of in 2010?
Well, in 2010, when we're taking a look at the panels, so I'm showing our students how to open and close the panels that we need. Because in many cases, the panels come across the screen. In some cases, we don't need all of those. So we can open and close the ones we need. And we're only showing them simple customization of the interface, because when they go out to the world of work, who knows how it's going to be. But we need to show them the concepts of how it works.
Great. Well, that sounds like good advice, and I'm so happy to see the students out there just getting this top, cutting-edge education as far as AutoCAD is concerned.
Thank you, Heidi.
Good job.
I like that.